In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable custom suggestions in Gmail. We'll be walking through this process step by step, making sure everything is clear so you can enhance your email experience with personalized suggestions tailored just for you. The first thing you'll want to do is open your favorite web browser and navigate to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Gmail account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Gmail dashboard, where you can see your inbox and other folders on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, it's time to dive into the settings. Look towards the upper right corner of the Gmail dashboard. You'll notice a gear icon. Click on this icon to open the Quick Settings menu. This menu provides some immediate options, but for our task today, we want to click on See All Settings at the top of that menu. By doing this, you'll enter Gmail's comprehensive settings menu. Once inside the settings menu, you'll see several tabs across the top. The one we're interested in today is labeled General. Click on the General tab, which will list a variety of options regarding your account. Scroll down through this list until you see the section titled Smart Compose. Smart Compose is one of Gmail's features that offers you suggestions as you compose an email. Now, you may notice an option called Smart Compose Personalization. If this feature is toggled on, Gmail will learn from your writing style and use that data to generate more personalized suggestions. To enable custom suggestions, ensure that Smart Compose Personalization is turned on. This is done simply by checking that the option is set to On. Now, just below that, you'll see another option labeled Smart Reply. This feature works similarly by offering quick, canned responses you can use to reply to emails. If you want to enable custom replies generated from your writing habits, make sure the Smart Reply option is switched on as well. After you've adjusted these settings to your liking, remember to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This part is crucial. Without saving, all the adjustments you made won't take effect. Congratulations! You've now set up Gmail to give you customized suggestions, making your emailing process faster and more intuitive. As you use these features, Gmail will continue to learn from your style, further enhancing its suggestions over time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day, and happy emailing!